I stepped out to explore life. In the rhythm of the waves, I explore my deepest self. To its tune, I rise with joy. In the mighty river's water white and blue, I find power. Only when I surrender, I find my immense energy. In my kayak, I ride the waves with joy and passion. From the holy Ganga to the mighty Indus, to the jovial Mandakini and the Mother Narmada, their magical waves embrace me. I explore my strengths in their torrents and my heart roars. I find myself complete and satisfied. I love exploring new rivers.
So I'm here in Ladakh.
On the river, I find happiness. GoPro makes me want to get out on the water more. It helps me share my best moments with others. And the hyper smooth 3.0 stabilization in the latest GoPro Hero 9 makes my roughest rides look so smooth, hence making it my favorite feature.